again, you guys. COT Hemi coming back with another video, another banger. I'm kind of tired, bro. I'm actually supposed to be in Dallas with my boy Russ, but had some things happen, so that ain't happening. So I'm still back at home, you know what I'm saying? I have a whole week and a half off. What I'm gonna do with my life, I have no idea. But I actually do need an oil change, like really, really, really bad. So I'm actually heading there right now. Hopefully I can run into a wide body, because I do want a wide body hellcat, but the dealership that I always go to never has anything in stock, bro. They always have to order their stuff. So I don't know how that's gonna work. I don't know, but we'll see. We'll see how that goes. But for the people that don't know, I am having a giveaway. You're probably late by now. The giveaway ends tomorrow on the 9th. Today's the 8th. Friday, be one winner. They're going to have two options. They're going to have either the cash, $200 cash option, or the H&R lowering springs for the Dodge Charger or the Dodge Challenger, which I know I need them myself, but I mean, I wanted to give back. That's what I'm going to start doing on the channel. Definitely subscribe, definitely comment, so you will be entered into random giveaways as well. I'm always going to be picking somebody, bro. I'm trying to give back, bro. I'm trying to make everyday Christmas, you feel me? So go ahead and enter if you haven't already. It's not too late. All you have to do is be following the YouTube channel or subscribe to the YouTube channel. Comment a couple times so I know you're, you know what I'm saying, you're subscribed. You're subscribed. Go over to my Instagram, COT Hemi, it's right there. Follow me on there, and you should be golden, bro. Everybody's gonna have a chance to win either the $200 cash app prize, or the H&R lowering springs for the Dodge Charger, Dodge Challenger. Your junk gonna be sitting low. You feel me? You're gonna be looking better than mine, man. That ain't fair. But nah, congratulations in advance. Thank you for supporting the channel. I definitely want to start giving back. That's something I do enjoy. I like making people happy, blessing people, bro. That's the whole reason why I have this channel. So go ahead and get on that. You have one more day to enter. The winner will be, you know what I'm saying, selected tomorrow. It will be announced tomorrow. So you have one more day to enter. Just make sure you subscribe, make sure you like, comment, and make sure you are following my Instagram, because there's more information on my Instagram for that. So right now I'm heading to the dealership, see if they got a wide body. I actually need an oil change. Like, I have 9% left on my oil change, but I'm gonna see if I can run into a wide body, bro, because I mean, I really want something new, bro. I really do want something new. And I need some of that that wide body hellcat. That I need that in my life, man. Like, I deserve it, right? Ball out. But we gonna see what they talking about. Definitely gonna get an oil change. You might let them run some numbers on what they'll give me for my car. I don't know. We gonna see. But thank you for liking. Thank you for subscribing already, bro. Go ahead and hit that notification bell, and let's get into this video. So I just dropped out the car. You see where I'm at. But when I pulled in, bro, I definitely seen a hellcat up here at the front, bro. It wasn't a wide body, but I can always put a wide body kit on it. So let's see what they running. Let's see what they talking for this wide body or hellcat. Soon to be wide body. We'll see. Couple truck. That's lifted. That's not actually bad at all. Those wheels have got to go though. That's smooth. But I couldn't do a 1500. I got to do a Cummins at least. Like, that's a Cummins right there. Brass monkeys. Hellcat. It's a 19 as well. What is this? Why they put that on there? That would definitely have to come off. Has a dealer warranty. I like that. I like that. Them 275s gotta go. I got 305s on my scat. The wheels are curved. Looks clean though. Oh, this is a 2018. They changed out the grill. 10,000 miles. F8 green. Has a sunroof, so that's very good. What the freak? Man, what is this? I do want to know the sticker on it. It's clean though. I wonder if I can look it up on the website, but I have to go down there and talk to them. They still got that red one. Oh, that stuff's the same. That red one's a 5.7 down there. Oh, I'm about to scan this and see. Hold on, let me give me 1 second. They asking $62,500 for this car, 10,000 miles. Has the Harman Kardon. It's fully loaded just like mine, but still 62 for 2018, 10,000 miles. They tripping, bro. Even though that's fixable, all you gotta do is pop it back in, but still. They gotta come off like $3 grand. I like the color though. This is one of my favorite colors, for sure. Definitely for sure one of my favorite colors. I'm gonna see what they'll give me for my car and then. Which one? I'm telling you, these are one of the coldest set of wheels, bro, that any Scat Pack can buy, bro. RTs in general too. They got good tires in this car too. It's cold. Alright, you guys, you see I'm back in my baby, but I just got my car back, fresh oil change. I needed that really, really bad. But they talking about 62. Oh, they got the Vossens on that one. Oh, I didn't see that. Hold up. That's an RT. What? Hold on, bro. RT Scat Pack. It is 6.4? Oh, it is a 392. Maybe they was about to put a wide body kit on here, because they're poking like crazy. They poking like crazy. One of the salesmen came out. I guess he's trying to explain how that Hellcat is not overpriced at $62,900. I thought it was $5,000, but it's $62,900. Bro, that's a 2018. The diffuser is halfway falling off, bro. Like, no, it's not a big issue, but still, bro, that's crazy. I know the market is crazy for these cars, bro, but at the same time, I'm not a dummy to pay for that. I don't need it that bad. I don't need it that bad. 62, I can go buy something crazy for that. And it'd be way faster than a Hellcat for real. Not me. Well, I'm gonna go get some gas. Thank you for liking, thank you for subscribing, because I know y'all about to go and support the kid. Go ahead and try to get into that giveaway while you can. You only have one more day. This video is gonna go up today within the next hour and a half. So you have rest of it today, and one lucky winner will be selected tomorrow. So thank you for liking, thank you for subscribing, and I'll catch you later.